What's up guys, Satish here and welcome to my channel. Noise, a Gurgaon based brand known for offering budget smartphone accessories, has launched a budget Bluetooth wireless neckband earphones called Noise Tune Charge recently. It has got awesome features which is worth to buy considering the price point since it costs Rs 1699 only. I have dropped the link in the description below. Do check it out if you are buying. So without much delay, let's unbox this product and see what all we got. This is the package and only comes in black color variant as of now. The packaging is very light and simple as well, and on back we get specifications of the product. Inside the box we get the Noise Tune Charge neckband first. Let's look at the neckband in detail in a while. Next we get micro USB charging cable, but it's tiny. I would recommend to use an extended micro USB cable instead. Further we get additional couple of pairs of ear tips to choose whichever fits the best. And at last warranty card and user manual. That's all in the box. Let's look at the neckband in detail. The band is flexible on top and sides are built using plastic. The left band has noise branding and both the bands have left and right indication. This is not a best looking neckband and also the build is prone to the scratches, but considering the price, design and build can be compromised. We get physical buttons on right side of the neckband which houses volume button, and in middle it's multifunctional button, and the third is volume down button. Further, there is a dedicated button to turn on the feature called 3D bass booster. Below that micro USB charging slot. It's not a best mechanism to open as I am having bit of trouble in opening this every time. We also get multicolored LED light. The earbud is light and not big at all, but there is no indication of which is for left and right ear. Fortunately, Noise managed to provide magnetic earbuds which snap together, which is a great feature for many. So this is all about the build and design of the neckband. Let's talk about the features why this band is worth buying. First, the bass booster. It comes with dedicated button which enables bass. The 10mm dynamic driver inside these earbuds produce bass. Of course, you cannot compare bass quality to a high-end earphone, but considering the price, it's worth. People who wish to get away from the bass effect rather than getting into the equalizer very often, the shortcut to enable and disable the bass is easy now with this neckband. The quality of the music is not great but good. I hear too much distortion when bass is enabled, and higher volume causes noise just like the brand name, and also a bit of distortion. But the vocals are not compromised, that's something we can appreciate. Second, Noise promises up to 16 hours of ultra long playback time, which is quite amazing. The battery life on wireless earphones are the most concerning aspect of the earphones nowadays, and the 240 mAh inbuilt battery helps to provide up to 16 hours of playback, which is really a juice. Bluetooth 5 connectivity is another good aspect of this neckband, as it can stay connected up to 10 meters of distance as well as enjoy stable connection. The Qualcomm base 3003 helps further in dual pairing, which means you can pair two Bluetooth devices simultaneously. The fourth feature is Noise Tune Charge neckband also has IPX5 certified, which means it's sweat resistant. I know you guys expected water resistant. Unfortunately, no, this device doesn't have that. Last but not the least is the multifunctional physical buttons. For next track, press and hold plus button, and for previous track, press and hold minus button. Long tapping on center button triggers voice assistant. That's all in the video and I hope you like it. This is Satish, have a nice day and stay awesome.